Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Yellow, pink, light pink, brown, green, red, sky blue, light green, purple, blue and orange colors. So kids, I hope you have learned all the colors name. Let's start coloring alphabets. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H is for horse. So kids, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching more videos.